EU truck driver DE to Embark 1,311, 3,200 euro net, living on board the ship. Rosters of truck drivers normally is a 1-1-2-1 system, 3,000 euros net plus social security. If, for example, we take Spain, the average wage is 2,000 net, 2,500 net. So if you are from Barcelona, Valencia, the ships are going to be sailing port-based those cities. Therefore, you will be closer to your family, and every 72 hours they go to Italy and back to Spain, and then same thing, the opposite. If you are from Croatia or Latvia and you have a huge tax and you're thinking, well, 3,200 euros net is quite interesting, living on board the ship and then making all these driving for the operations on board the ship, please apply urgently. Basic Italian is required, English is not required. Like and subscribe, pass throughout the groups that you know, because we know that in some countries like Bulgaria, the wages of the truck drivers are lower, or in Romania, or in Slovakia, or in many other countries. So please apply urgently, because this is a huge ship owner. We are talking about 55 Roro+Ropax and then 22 Roro, total 77-ish ships, state-of-the-art, huge ships, Mediterranean, nice weather, Italian flag, Italian offices and ratings, the best food and the best professionals in the planet, and the garage of these ships are huge, so to make maneuvers and plan how to take the lorries off and on faster, because these ships are huge and will be here is the biggest Roro+Ropax fleet in Europe today. So this job is long term. If you like this, please apply. We need the Codice Fiscale for this application of the employment contract, then also the crew inspector application of Candina, the ship owner application we will be sending to you, and also the Italian basic language for safety reasons. You need to confirm that you have read and understood. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.